Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk you about the best option trading strategies or setups that happens every day. So in this video I am going to talk about the option strategies. I will be bringing this video in the two parts. The first part will be the option strategies that will happen from opening of the market till the afternoon, that is between 9:15 to 12 p.m. In the second part I will talk you through about the option strategies that will happen in the mid-afternoon sessions, that is between 12 p.m. to 3:30. So let's start the part 1 video. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel, do like the video and share honest reviews in the comment section. So let's start the video. Hello traders, as I mentioned, these are the option buying strategies, that is part 1. So yeah, this is the option buying strategies part 1. In this video I am going to talk about the 9 option buying strategies which happens in the market opening to afternoon, that is about 12 p.m. between 9:15 when the market opens at 9:15 up to 12 p.m. These 9 patterns or strategies or setups happens in every day of the market. So the first one is open drive, and second one is open drive rejection, and third one is CPR engulfing, and the fourth one is morning star, and the fifth one is evening star, sixth one is big green candle retracement, and the seventh one is big red candle retracement, eighth one is the gap up rejection, and the last one is gap down rejection. All these strategies or setups are based on CPR and pivot points. So kindly know about some basics about pivots and CPR about so that this video can give you higher knowledge if you have the basic knowledge about CPR and pivot points. So without further delay, let's start the first pattern, that is open drive. So this is open drive. This is a simple pattern and it is related to market profile. It is another concept in market profile. So I will make the video about market profile on future time. So let's stick to the open drive. So all the pattern discussed here related to CPR and on a 5-minute candle time frame. So and it can be used in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So if you are willing to do on stock options, say, it might be useful. It can be done on stocks also. So this pattern happens when the first 5-minute candle breaks previous day high or a previous day low. So when it breaks, so like this, this is the first 5-minute chart of a Bank Nifty. The first 5-minute candle must breaks the previous day high or a previous day low, like this. If this breaks the previous day high or a previous day low, this is a Nifty 50 previous day low, then it is an open drive pattern. Okay, so when is the entry? So if the previous day high breaks, then go long by keeping previous day high as a stop loss, book profit at next pivot or resistance or 2R. Okay, if the previous day high breaks in the first 5-minute candle, so you go long in this candle and the next 5-minute candle, keeping a stop loss just below the previous day low and keeping a target of a next pivot or the institutional zone resistance or 1:2 risk to reward, as per your risk to reward ratio, as per your trading experience, as per your method. You can keep your targets and stop loss. So keep stop loss below previous day high and you can trail your stop losses as well. Okay, this is open drive. And the second is, if the price breaks the previous day low, then go short here. So short means can buy PE at this, keeping a stop loss above that day's high or a previous day low as your stop loss, and book your profits around 1:2 or next pivot. So like that. So the second pattern or a system is open drive rejection, and this is the second pattern related. This is also related to market profile also. So when the price breaks previous day high or low and having immediate support or a resistance, so immediate, not a support, there is an immediate resistance, that is, so enter when the first 5 minute candle low breaks and keep SL as first 5 minute candle low and book profits at CPR or support or 2R. This is how it looks like. The market has opened gap up, and it is not an bullish sign, it is a red candle, it is a bearish sign. It is having a resistance at this pivot, right? So where you enter this first 5 minute candle low breaks, and this is the breaks. You enter here and book profits near the CPR or near the next pivot, or you can book your profits around 2R or 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And this is all about the open drive rejection pattern or a setup. So this is the example. There is a Nifty 50. It is making a gap up is happened and it doesn't sustain the gap, so it facing the resistance here, and it has closed below the previous day, this first 5 minute candle low, and also the previous day high. It breaks, so you go short here and book your profits around 2R or at a CPR. So this is the open drive rejection pattern. So the next pattern is CPR engulfing. This strategy is based on CPR. Okay, entry will be of two types. So go long if first 5 minute candle is bullish and engulfs the CPR. Okay, so the long entry will be like this. Okay, the first 5 minute candle has completely engulfed the CPR, so go long here, keeping the stop loss below the CPR or below the central pivot or below this 5 minute candle low. Stop loss can be maintained according to a risk to reward ratio. So book profits around next pivot or a previous day or at a next pivot or at a 2R can be your risk to reward ratio as per. So then short entry will be the CPR engulfing below, engulf the bearish candle. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing CPR. So this is happened on Nifty 50. Okay, so in this the engulfing CPR is a red candle. You go short here, keeping the stop loss. It is a huge stop loss. You can keep stop loss around central pivot range as well. So you go short here, putting the stop loss above the central pivot, and you can book your profit return previous day low or next pivot, or you can trail your stop loss, or you can book your profit around your risk to reward. So this is about CPR engulfing. You go long when the candle is bullish and it has to completely engulf the whole CPR, and you go short when the first 5 minute candle engulfs the CPR in a bearish way or in a red candle. So the next is the morning star pattern. So it happens when a bullish pin bar formed at a previous day low. Okay, the morning star. What is a morning star? So when the bullish candle is formed at a previous day low, right? This is the previous day low. This is for a bank Nifty. This is a previous day low. This is the bullish candle. This is not a pin bar. This is a bullish candle which has happened in a previous day low. It is a morning star setup. So enter when high of this breaks, or you can enter immediately. If the closing happened above previous day low, you can enter. So you can enter here and entry when this high breaks. This is also a good entry. So enter here, keeping the stop loss below this candle or below. This is stop loss will be minimum, right? Keeping stop loss below this candle. Achieve your targets around 2R or in institutional zone or the CPR. This is the morning star pattern. This not happens every time. This is a rare pattern. Okay. So next one is the evening star pattern. So it is the opposite of morning star pattern. So more than morning star, evening star happens more compared to morning star, because when the market goes up, it doesn't go up in a straight way. So when the markets go down, it can go down easily, right? So the panic can happen in a minute more than in a buying side. Okay, so the condition or criteria for this is if the gap up opening happens, first 5 minute candle breaks the previous day high, then go short. So keep SL as 5 minute candle high or previous day high, and book profits at CPR or next pivot or support or at 2R. So this is the evening star example. It is a Nifty bank Nifty. So this is the first 5-minute candle. It opens at exactly at the previous day high and breaks the previous day high. So you can go short here, keeping the stop loss of previous day high, and book your profits at an institutional zone or at a CPR or at a next pivot or next previous day low. And if you are trailing the stop loss, you are getting maximum out of it. So from 38,400 it has come to 37,400. That is around 1000 points in a bank Nifty. That is 1000 points if you are kept in a one lot. If you are trading in a one lot, the profit will be huge. That is 25,000 if you are capturing 1000 points in a bank Nifty. This is evening star happens most often in a bank Nifty or Nifty rather than a morning star, so keep that in mind. So the sixth pattern is a big green candle retracement. So in this pattern, the criteria must be the first 5-minute candle must be the big green candle. So what is the entry here? Enter when the price comes to the low of the first 5-minute candle. So keeping a sell, so let me show. It is the first 5-minute big green candle, right? Whenever the price comes to this level, you buy it, keeping stop loss below the first 5-minute candle low, or in this case you can keep stop loss below the CPR. So book your profits at this high, at a 5-minute candles high, because it has a resistance, or the breakout may happen. It can move in the afternoon session but not in the morning to mid afternoon. You can book your profits here. This is the big green candle retracement. So the next one is the big red candle retracement. So it is opposite of the big green candle retracement. So the criteria here is the first 5-minute candle must be the big red candle. Okay, so enter short when the price reaches the red candle's high. Okay, in this, okay, it is in Nifty. This is a big red candle, right? So enter short when the price reaches its high. So it reaches here, okay, you can short it here. It reaches here, you can short it here. So book your profits at its low, that is here, and its low. It breakdown happens, then it may fall further. Okay, it is the big red candle retracement. So the eighth one is the gap up rejection. The strategy is when market opens gap up and doesn't sustain the gap. So the criteria for this is the first 5-minute candle must be red candle. So enter short when the first 5-minute candle low breaks. Okay, so let's see. This is the first 5-minute candle. The huge gap up has happened. Huge gap up, no, but there is a gap up happened and it is a bearish candle. Okay, sorry, it is a bearish candle. Okay, so mark the highs and lows of first 5-minute candle. So if the low of the first 5-minute candle breaks, you go short here, keeping the stop loss as a low of the first 5-minute candle or the pivot. So book profits at a CPR or at a next pivot according to a risk to reward ratio. This is the gap up rejection. So next one is the gap down rejection. It is the opposite of the gap up rejection. It can be morning star, evening star kind of a setup, but in morning star and evening star, it breaks the previous day high and it breaks the previous day low. In gap up and gap down, it may not happen. It can be a pivot, it can be in previous day high or low, it can be institutional zones, whatever it may be. So gap up, gap down happens every time. Okay, morning star and evening star happens according to the previous day low or a previous day high. So this is the big difference between the gap up and gap down rejection and morning star and evening star patterns. So the last pattern is gap down rejection. It is the opposite of the gap up rejection, where the market opens gap down and doesn't go down further. So criteria for this is the first 5-minute candle must be the green candle or a bullish candle. Okay, enter when the first 5-minute candle high breaks and keep a sell below first 5-minute candle. Book profits at next pivot, or at a CPR or at a 2R. Okay, so this is a gap down happened. The market closed here. This is an Nifty bank. The market closed here at 37,900. On a next day, the market opens gap down. There is a gap down opening of around, this is 37,900, right? And this is around 37,400. This is a 500 points of gap down happened, and it creates a bullish candle. Rather than it's a previous day low as well, it is a bullish candle. You go long here, keeping a stop loss below this candle, and you book profits at an institutional zone or at a CPR. Okay, this is all about the 9 option buying patterns or option setups that will happen in a 9:15 to 12 p.m. Okay, these are all the 9 best patterns. It can make you profitable. This is a high probability setups. So if you use these setups, and you can be profitable as well. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. So join free Telegram channel for more updates. I have given the link in the description. So kindly review the video about the comments in the comment section. So hope you like this video. If you're liking the video, kindly do subscribe the channel and join the free Telegram channel where I post regular trading ideas. So thank you very much.